Guys, I woke up too early by accident. I set my alarm to 9 a.m. and then I was like, oh shit, I have a 10 a.m. stream. I forgot that I set it to an 11 a.m. stream. I used to stream at 10 a.m. like a year ago. Let's listen to some music. What's this? What the WOTS be?
A tale.
Oh my god, no! Stop! Ah! Yeah, they're coming back to me. My debut memories. Make it stop. Make it stop. That's not who I am. What is this? Why do I have 2 copies?
Time flows.
Oh my god, this is without the narration. I have a version without the narration. I want to see if I remember my own lyrics. What is this song called? Wish of the Songbird. Oh my gosh. That's me, guys. That's me. Okay.
Time flows once more.
Return to all the sadness which seeps to my core. I'm so miserable, guys. I'm like, yeah, I'm so sad. We don't even have the instrumental for Roll That Dough. Well, I do now. I found it. I actually sent it to Kyo like a year and a half ago, and I had to dig through all of our DMs just to find it. I found it.
I first upon the endless light of
Graceful stars as I dance obliviously.
오네가이 도비様この願いを叶えてくれよこの世界に奇跡が存在するのか Hear the wish of this song
Bird. You know what my biggest problem is making songs that are not in my range. I don't know why I'm always going falsetto. I should make a lower song. Like a lower range song. Yeah. This song is so difficult. I never sang it once. Me aura farming for Dark Souls. By the way, before you think I'm narcissistic for listening to my own songs, these are the only songs I can listen to without checking for permission because I literally made them, okay? What did I say here? Yeah, at the time and still honestly today, I had this like obsession with like Bulgarian choirs and like throat singing, Mongolian throat singing, and like very like, you know, that sort of style. Throw back to the Lucius days. Oh my god, I know! I love those days, it was so fun. We will bring those days back. Slowly but surely. What else can we listen to? Oh, Ethyria Diego's Draft Piano. Alright! So when I first made Ethyria, I actually like based the chords off of Diego's draft thingy that he sent me. And then we just completely changed everything, but this was like kind of the very first. It's so beautiful. Yeah, it was just like a repeat of the chords, but it worked. Thank you, Diego. These are all I can show. It's crazy. Show! Na 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 na, ready for my show! Please, please, please play Birds of Time. I don't even know if I have an instrumental for that. Zuttomo a cappella? Oh, this is the a cappella.
巡り合う何度でもきっとさあ怖がらないで迷ってしまってもいつでも呼びかけてよ一人じゃない忘れないで季節のお互い描く約束春夏秋冬を乗り越えて
What is this? What? What's this? What? What is this? Oh shit! Oh! Hi everybody. I don't remember anything from the beginning of this cover. Something, something, something. I don't remember fucking anything. This party is over! Da 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 do! I can't remember all the lyrics of the do-da-da-do. I really don't know how I got to sing the song. Something, something, da-da-da-do-da-ba-do-da-ba-do-ba-do. Do-do-do, smell like a bee that smells honey. I can't remember anything, guys. I can't remember any of the lyrics. Oh, I do have it! Ooh, I have a draft mix of Birds of Time. A draft mix basically means that I mixed it so that I could show the mixer the way that I want it to be, sort of like panned. If that makes sense. I don't know, it makes sense to me. Across the seas and oceans. So that's why it sounds really like dry. It's the place where we belong. See guys, my voice is pretty low. It just doesn't sound low when I speak because I speak out of my nose. But when I don't speak out of my nose, it is a pretty low voice. Yeah. Oh, I do have the instrument. I found it. Ah, I don't remember the lyrics. Birds of Time. Are you an alto / mezzo? I don't know. I'm not musical. I don't understand what that means. Maybe. Okay, this is the 2-3 year aftermath. Oh, can't you see? The universe is really mean to me. Is that how the lyrics go? I don't know. Birds of Time. Can you kill me now? No. Kill me now, 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 now. Birds of Time. Can you kill me now, 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 now? Birds of Time. Can you kill me now? The lyrics are a little different from what I remember. I wonder if I killed myself today, if I could even continue playing Dark Souls. Oh, can't you see? I just really do not want to breathe. Birds of Time. Can you take my life, 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 life? Birds of Time. Can you take my life, 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 life? remember the lyrics. No going hollow. Dark Souls is waiting. I legit love any parody lyrics. I love how nobody in the... Are you okay? Everybody's just so used to this and like, yeah, I like this version too. Thanks, guys. If I ever stop streaming, just means that I have finally finished Dark Souls. You guys want to hear my new song? Okay, sure. If you insist. Okay. It's still in the work in progress. It's like super duper raw. Hold on. I'll sing it for you guys. Okay, ready? Pay the tolls to the angels, drawn circles in the clouds. Keep your mind on the distance when the devil turns around. Hold me in your heart tonight in the magic of the dark moonlight. Save me from the sad fight in the game of life, like a poem said by a lady in red. I know, I was just kidding. If you don't get the joke, it's Lady Gaga's Abracadabra, but the instrumental's not the same. Anyways, DMCA, guys. What is this? Pokemon? Oh. Beautiful. Oh. This is so old. I'm running through the meadow. Flowers that speak to me. Okay, I see. What is this? I'm scared. It just says horse. I'm gonna take my horse. Oh shit! I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing in my life. My bad. Take my horse to the old down road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I fucking love that song. Such a good song. Make a radio cut. Once upon a time, there was a very depressed girl who woke up an hour too early because she really wanted to play Dark Souls. But then, she felt really tired when she woke up and prayed that she never wanted to wake up again. Those are the mushrooms speaking to me. Quaint are the colors inviting me in. Paint the picture of shine, less of Sheila, more Clint, whatever that means. Mistake the majors that ooh. Sing a song that is brighter, more plotted to claim. Magical mushroom, show me your world. Feed me your love and exhaustion. Still there is room, my belly is curled. Oh, how I'm hungry forever. Mushroom, 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 you make me feel a little funny inside. Oh, ho, 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 ha, ha, ha. Mushroom, 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 twilight of dreams and insanity, open my eyes. Milk and honey welling in your promise, well you sway me, disarray me with the keys. As you twist and turn my world upside down, falling head over heels, you're inverting my frown. Magic. Oh wait. Are one and the same. Either one of the twins can rekindle the flame. Sorrow or sadness might burn through the night, even down to my ashes, 4 feet in the light. Magical mushroom, don't be concerned. Now our affair is no secret. Rumors will bloom, those stones stay unturned. People they know but don't see. And mushroom, 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 twilight of dreams and insanity. meant for a mutual fate. Take me away
To a ceaseless
honeymoon. Lead me astray to your arms of delightful dark treaty by ear. With your symphony, your scenery, feast the sight of my eyes for everything of splendor and height as a fall in the price. Yeah, what do you think? You think I'm ruining my own songs?
It's okay, no one listens to them anyways. I write songs about my pain and then put them on Spotify. But no one listens. Nobody cares about my pain. It's okay. It's okay. Because I always knew the universe hated me. Blah! Mushroom, oh 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 mushroom, mushroom, oh mushroom. Mushroom, mushroom. No dreaming insanity, open my mind. Ha 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 ha. Good and bad in sickness and health. In the name of our bond, I'll surrender myself.
Oh my god, honestly, that's such a good censorship. I'll just be like, I'm gonna surrender myself. That's so like artistic. Hey guys, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna kill myself anymore. I'm just gonna be like, I surrender. Goodbye, everyone.
Is it 11? Okay, guys. I think it's okay if I, like, guarantee this, but next week on the weekend, I'm going to debut my 3.0. Woohoo! Yes! I'm finally going to debut it. Yes! I think, you know, if everything comes together and nothing stops me and I don't die, then yeah. Only been a year. Yeah, it's really not that long ago. Yeah, I'm so excited. Excited for you guys to see. No, Enna, please don't graduate. What do you mean? I'm talking about my 3.0 debut, man. You said you'd debut it during graduation at the very least. Well, yeah, I'm just saying that, like, if worst comes to worst, like, I will have to show it eventually. Also, along with 3.0, there's 2 other surprises. I already told you guys that I have the new membership badges. So you guys will be getting new membership badges with the 3.0 debut. I'm gonna do a karaoke too, because I haven't done that in a while. There's also another thing, but I'll save that one. There's a special surprise. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I replaced the Otsu emote with the horse emote. So, we will no longer be saying Otsu Enna. We will be saying, see you again, neighbor. Neighbor. Thank you very much. Yes, it was a very difficult decision for me to make, but this is how I want to end my streams from now on. Thank you very much. Oh my god, you can write nay. You're welcome. Always wanted everybody to call me One-chan. I'm gonna get demonetized.